These are the most dangerous jobs in the world.
Scary.
Oh my gosh. Number 20 is being a courier.
I can understand why that's dangerous. Whoa!
Who said she had to, oh my gosh.
Yeah, she's making this the most dangerous job.
I feel like they have like biking lanes and stuff like that. Like no one's forcing her to drive on the road.
And then the person's like, my spaghetti's cold, oh my God. And she's like dodging traffic.
Weaving in and out, okay. And at number 19 is a lumberjack.
Okay, I can understand lumberjack.
This, if anything, I'm surprised this isn't higher on the list.
Well, he's higher, but not on the list.
Yeah.
Because he's in a tree.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Woo, look at that Douglas fir go.
The only thing holding him up there is that rope.
The robots are taking our jobs, dang it. No, it strips the tree. Yo, whoever made that's a genius.
I know.
That just did the work of like 40 people with like 3 buttons.
That was insane.
Robots are coming.
At number 18 is fighter jet pilots. Yep, I agree.
Why is this one dangerous? I don't get it.
Oh, you don't understand why this is dangerous?
Yeah, this is just Microsoft Flight Simulator, right?
Who's gonna tell him? Wait, what?
Yo, they're like touching tips right now.
That's insane.
Whee!
Oh my gosh.
I could never land a plane. Dude, it looked like he was about to fly right off. Those things have incredible brakes.
At number 17 is search and rescue personas.
Personnel.
I can't speak.
You can't.
Put that in, it's funny. So I assume this is like a pickup of some people on some mountains.
What gave that away? Was it the mountain or the pickup?
I am tired of your crap.
You know what? I'm tired.
Helicopters in and of themselves are terrifying. Now imagine landing with one wheel on the side of like a 1,000-foot mountain. Why is it so close to the ground?
Because he's rescuing somebody who needs help by the water, man.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I saw this on the news when it happened. He's rescuing somebody that like apparently their car got flooded.
I don't know if I'd want to be rescued like this, if I'm being honest.
Did you see the one where they were rescuing the old lady and then they had her in that bed and it just started
But no, like, seriously, I'm terrified of helicopters. If someone tried to save me with a helicopter like this, I'd be like, nah, man, just leave me to drown.
Like planes make sense, but helicopters are just wizardry.
At number 16 is mining.
Wait, Minecraft mining? You can get arthritis.
Yes, our gaming channel is the 16th most dangerous job in the world.
Yo, I get why it's dangerous, because you could just die at any point. The earth could just be like, nah, I don't want you.
They have to mine in crevices like that?
Yeah, dude. Look at that, I would die.
Yeah, like movies and stuff always depict mining as like these huge open caves, but
they not.
At number 15 is bodyguards.
That is a dangerous job. Whoa, that guy's the worst assassin in the world. He was like, all right, I give. Hey, look, it's Jake Paul and the classic got your hat meme.
If we're trying to represent how being a bodyguard's dangerous, I don't know if a clip from a Jake Paul press conference gets that point across. That doesn't look very dangerous to me. Up next is boxing. I agree.
All right, who's winning? Call it now. Blue shorts.
I'm gonna pick the other shorts.
Might have been a bad pick. He's kind of wobbly, dude.
Oh, snap.
He was like, I won't do this no more.
I don't know what could be more dangerous than boxing, honestly. How is there 12 jobs more dangerous than just getting punched in the head repeatedly?
Because when you're getting punched in the head and it's your job, you know it's coming.
Still, statistically, you get way more hurt getting punched in the head.
Statistics schmatistics.
This list doesn't make sense.
But when you're just a commercial driver, dumb people can come at you at any angle. Oh, diver. I thought it said driver.
Wait, let's go back.
It does
definitely say diver.
It says diver.
I'm like, how is driving for Uber Eats more dangerous than getting punched in the head?
Look, we can't read. It's fine.
Commercial diver in at number 12.
Ooh, the poop diver.
Is that sludge?
I don't know what that is.
I don't either.
Oh yeah, underwater welding is actually extremely dangerous. Something about using fire underwater is dangerous apparently. Oh, and then sharks. You have to deal with sharks just checking out.
Imagine doing your normal job in the office, but then a shark at any point could just show up.
That'd be like if you just worked a normal job at Staples and every now and again a lion just walked in and you had to deal with it.
Coming out at number 11 is a truck driver. You can't convince me that being a truck driver is more dangerous than being a boxer.
Apparently if there's other stupid truck drivers.
Oh my gosh.
Jesus Christ.
He was quite angry about that.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of blurring there. The 10th most dangerous job in the world is being a skyscraper worker.
What? I don't get it. What's so dangerous about walking 300 feet up in the air on a small pipe?
Yeah, honestly, this doesn't look dangerous at all.
This is so safe. Oh, look, that one's wiggling while he's walking on it. Completely safe. That's how you know they're secure.
He's not strapped into anything.
He really wasn't. He was carrying the scrap.
There's no amount of money in the world that would ever make me do that job.
$38.
I'll reconsider. And coming in at number 9, bull riders.
All the other jobs have been like beneficial to society, but dangerous. But this one's just dangerous because
Oh my God.
he got flung like a rag doll.
Oh my gosh. Many questions are flowing through my head. A, why is this a job? B, why is this a job?
C, does he have medical insurance?
Coming in at number 8 is astronauts. That should be number 1. Hurling people thousands of feet up, if not miles, in the air.
Are they going to space?
Wait, is that how they go to space? Hold up. Is that what it looks like while they're...
Oh, sorry, I'm allergic to space.
I was having a moment.
No, I'm sorry, I didn't know space was in this.
Oh my gosh, dude. Look at that. It's just a dark void of nothingness when you look to the right of the planet.
Are we gonna go to space, by the way?
Working on it. All right, deep sea fishers.
This isn't your normal sea fishing. This is deep. Yo, people die all the time doing this, and then they just swap in new people. Holy crap.
I'm glad I have a captain that when a big wave comes, instead of being like, all right, I'm gonna navigate it, he just goes,
Get down! Can we all just agree crabs aren't worth these people dying over?
I'm willing to stop eating crabs if it means they don't have to do this.
I'm willing to stop eating crabs, which I never eat.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, that fish was like, oh, you guys want to catch me? Caught you lacking. Yo, he threw a ladder at that guy and hit him in the face.
Wait, let me see it.
Yeah.
Oh wait, who threw that?
No, the fish threw it.
Oh
He
my-
said, oh, you gonna catch me? Boink.
All right, power alignment.
This is actually a very dangerous job. My uncle does this.
Why haven't you retired your uncle?
He's not actually my uncle. We call him Uncle.
Okay.
His name's Randall.
He's backtracking.
We used to hang out with his kids, so we called him Uncle Randall. But I know somebody who does this.
Thank you, okay.
Yo, that's called a hot stick.
Oh.
That's why it's called a hot stick.
Why, so it tests if it's electric?
Yeah, so see,
Oh my gosh.
see, if that hot stick wasn't there, that arc would have caught him instead.
Coming in at number 4 is demolition. I don't understand why this is so high up on the list because it's not like you got to be inside the building when you blow it up.
I mean, is it dangerous? Not, well, okay, I guess.
This is not demolition. This is just being a YouTuber.
That is pretty dangerous.
Coming in at number 3 is a firefighter.
A firefighter is always going into fire, which is dangerous, always.
Oh wow. Is that just part of your normal job, you just being on fire?
They're like, hey bro, spray me down, I'm on fire again.
They were way too nonchalant about him being on fire.
I would put it higher than the next one, to be honest.
Storm chasers? Why do people chase storms?
For weather and for excitement. I mean, you'll understand this once you're a dad, Jimmy. When you become a dad, there's something about wanting to go outside and observe weather. You just sit on the porch and you're like, storm coming.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Oh snap. Does he get back in the car?
I hope so.
And number 1 on the list is geochemist.
What? Oh yeah, this looks dangerous already. Yeah, that's pretty dangerous. I mean, I understand why it's dangerous, but I don't feel like a lot of like accidents happen with, well, I mean.
There's probably a reason they put a number 1 on the list. Is he running away from lava right now?
Yeah, it's lava. Of course he's running away.
And those are the 20 most dangerous jobs in the world. If you don't hit subscribe right now, I will literally punch you in the face. Goodbye.
Bye.